Hello students, good morning. See today's problem. Rohini Cement Limited purchased on 1st April 2015 a plant for rupees 80,000. On 1st July 2016, it purchased additional plant costing rupees 48,000. So they have purchased two plants. On 1st December 2017, the plant purchased on 1st April 2015 was sold off for rupees 42,000. It means first plant. And on the same date, fresh plant was purchased at the cost of rupees 75,000. This is the third plant purchased by them when they have sold the first plant. Okay. Depreciation is provided at 10% per annum on the diminishing balance method every year, means reducing balance method or return down value method. Accounts are closed each year on 31st March. Show the plant account for 3 years. IGST is charged at 12% on purchases and sale of plant. Now see, even though here percentage of IGST is given, IGST paid on purchase of plant is not cost of the plant because it is to be set off against GST collected on sale of goods and assets. आपल्याला माहिती आहे आपण GSTचे इंटरेस्ट शिकलेलो आहोत. परचेसवर जो आपण GST पेड करतो तो सेट ऑफ केला जातो अगेन्स्ट GST collected at the time of sale. So here plant account is debited by 80,000 and at the time of sale plant account will be credited by rupees 42,000. So we will not enter anything about GST in plant account. Keep it in mind because GST is not cost of the plant. It is to be set off. Understood? Now they told us that to prepare plant account for 3 years. So let's start now. We'll prepare plant account from 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2017. 31st March 2018, 3 years. Okay. First year will be 15-16, second year 16-17 and third year will be 17-18. So let's start now. So here we will prepare plant account of Rohini Cement Limited and I will prepare the working note here. See, preparing the working note in detail is not at all compulsory. I hope की तुम्हाला दिसतंय व्यवस्थित. मी असं सांगत होते की वर्किंग नोट प्रिपेअर करणं हे कंपल्सरी नाही आहे, पण वर्किंग नोट प्रिपेअर केल्यामुळे ॲक्युरेट प्रॉब्लेम होण्याची शक्यता वाढते. वर्किंग नोटला मार्क्स नाही आहेत किंवा वर्किंग नोट डिटेलमध्ये करणं तुम्हाला कंपल्सरीसुद्धा नाही आहे. यू हॅव टू प्रिपेअर ओनली द ॲसेट्स अकाउंट अँड depreciation account if given in the problem. But after preparing working note we will be sure that our asset account is correct because we have all the calculation. So I always prefer to prepare the working note before solving the problem. Okay, now in this problem, see, this problem is very interesting. First thing is, this problem is of diminishing balance method, that is reducing balance method or return down value method. Okay, there are 3 plants, means plant and machineries. First plant and machinery was purchased on 1st April 2015. So on 1st April 2015 they have purchased first plant worth rupees 80,000. Then on 1st July 2016 they have purchased the second plant at rupees 48,000. So second plant here on 1st July 2016 for rupees 48,000. Okay, now see the remaining part. They told us that on 1st December 2017 the plant purchased on 1st April 2015, means first plant, was sold off for rupees 42,000. Means on 1st December 17 they have sold this plant, that is first plant, and on the same date fresh plant was purchased at a cost of rupees 75,000. On the same date means on the date on which they have sold the first plant, on that date they have purchased the third plant. So here I will write third plant. On 1st December 2017, they have purchased a new plant for rupees 75,000. Understood? So first plant was purchased on 1st April 2015. It was sold on 1st December 2017, and on the same date they have purchased this new fresh plant. And second plant was purchased on 1st July 2016. It was not sold in these 3 years. Okay. Now depreciation rate is 10% per annum. Method is diminishing balance method. Account closing date every year is 31st March. And they told us that we have to show the plant account for 3 years. That is from 1st April 2015. The year will end on 31st March 2016. Then it will start on 1st April 2016. It will end on 31st March 17. Next year will start on 1st April 17 and it will end on 31st March 18. Understood? So we have to prepare the plant account and do the working for these 3 years. Now first, let's prepare the working note of first plant. First depreciation will be deducted on 31st March 2016. They have used this plant for 12 months, so they have to deduct the depreciation 10% of rupees 80,000, that is this amount. After deducting 8,000, the written down value will be 72,000 on 1st April 2016. Okay. Now they have sold this plant on 1st December 17. So in next year, the next year will end on 31st March 17. They have again used this plant for full year, that is for 12 months. Now we are using diminishing balance method. So now they will deduct depreciation on 72,000, 10% of 72,000, that is 7,200. Understood? In reducing balance method or diminishing balance method, we have to calculate the depreciation on the written down value. So 10% of 72,000 is 7,200, and after deducting 7,200, the written down value will be 64,800. Correct. 64,800 on 1st April 2017. Okay. Now in this third year, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, they have used the plant, and on 1st December 17, they have sold the plant. Before selling the plant, we have to deduct the depreciation here. See, they have used from April to November end. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 8 months. So we have to deduct depreciation of 8 months here. Full year's depreciation will be 64,000, 10% of 64,800, that is 6480. This is for full year, that is for 12 months. So divided by 12 into 8 we have to do, so that we can calculate the amount of depreciation. Okay. So I can divide by 4, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now I will divide by 3. 2160 into 2, it will be 4320. Correct. 4320. So this year's depreciation for 8 months will be 4320. Understood? After deducting depreciation, the written down amount will be 60,480, and on the same date they have sold the machinery for rupees 42,000 as given in the problem, 42,000. So there will be loss in sale of rupees 18,480. सगळ्यांना समजलंय? फर्स्ट इयर 10% of 80,000, second year 10% of 72,000, third year 10% of 64,800, that is 6,480 for 12 months. So for 8 months we have calculated depreciation here. and this is the loss in sale. Okay, now second machinery. It was purchased on 1st July 2016 for rupees 48,000. After July 16, July, August, September, October, November, December 16, January, February, March 17. For year end will be 31st March 17, and the use of machinery will be, that is use of plant will be from July to March. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. That is for 9 months. So we have to deduct the depreciation for 9 months. Okay. Following similar method we can calculate depreciation here. आपण तोंडी पण याचं डेप्रिसिएशन काढू शकतो कारण अमाऊंट ऑड नाही आहे, इझी आहे. तरी पण 10% ऑफ 48,000 विल बी 4,800. ओके, डिवायडेड बाय 12 into 9. अंडरस्टूड. 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 1,200 into 3, it is 3,600. So depreciation here will be 3,600. Understood? And after deducting 3,600, 44,400 will be the return down value on 1st April 2017. Next depreciation will be deducted on 31st March 2018 for full year, that is for 12 months. 10% of 44,400, that is 4,440. Okay, and after deducting it, the return down value will be 39,960. Okay, and now the third machinery. They have purchased this machinery on 1st December 2017. December 17, January, February, March 18. The year will end on 31st March 18. That is the last year. म्हणजे ही मशिनरी फक्त लास्ट इयरमध्ये आहे. ही मशिनरी 2 वर्षांमध्ये आहे आणि ही पहिली मशिनरी 3 वर्ष आहे. तिसऱ्या वर्षी सेल केली आहे. ओके, नाव 10% of 75,000 will be 7,500, and we have to calculate for December, January, February, March, that is for 4 months. Okay, so see here, for 4 months the depreciation will be 2,500. Okay, divided by 12 into 4, 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, and we have to divide by 3 to 75,000. So amount 7,500. So depreciation will be 2,500. So return down value will be 72,500. हे कसं आलं ते तुम्हाला कळलं असेल. नसेल तर मी इथे परत करून दाखवते. 10% ऑफ 75,000 मीन्स 7,500 डिवायडेड बाय 12 into 4 months. 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, 3 1 जा 3 here. So 2,500 into 1 is equal to 2,500. In this way we have deducted here depreciation for 4 months. Okay, so here we are done with the working note. आता आपल्याला मशिनरी अकाउंट करायचं आहे या वर्किंग नोटचा रेफरन्स घेऊन. ओके, डिमिनिशिंग बॅलन्स मेथड आहे. कॅल्क्युलेशन्स ऑड फिगर्स वगैरे येऊ शकतात, त्यामुळे कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित करण्यामध्ये आपल्याला याचा उपयोग होतो. आता आपण ॲक्च्युअल मशिनरी अकाउंट करूया. आय विल कीप दिस वर्किंग हँडी हिअर अँड नाव वी विल प्रिपेअर मशिनरी अकाउंट, सॉरी फॉर plant account, means plant and machinery account of Rohini Cement Limited. Okay, let's start. They have purchased the first plant on 1st April 2015. So on 1st April 2015, to bank account. First machinery purchased for rupees 80,000. Okay, as I told you, IGST given, but IGST paid on purchase of plant is not the cost of the plant, so it will not be included in the cost. So amount will be rupees 80,000. Understood? Now in this year we have to deduct the depreciation on rupees 80,000 कारण दुसरी कुठलीच मशिनरी परचेस केलेली नाही आहे. सो ॲट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट इयर, दॅट इज ऑन 31st March 2016, by depreciation account 8,000, and we will tally for first year. 80,000, 80,000, difference is 72,000, that is the closing balance this year on 31st March 16 by balance carried down, and it will be brought down on 1st April 16 to balance brought down rupees 72,000. Okay, see here we have deducted depreciation, and on 1st April the written down value is 72,000. now एप्रिल 16ला वर्ष सुरू झाले. एप्रिल मे जून जुलै ऑगस्ट, एप्रिल मे जून जुलै. ऑन 1st July 16 they have purchased second machinery. So on 1st July 16 to bank account, second machinery purchased for rupees 48,000. Okay, now see we have to deduct the depreciation at the end, that is on 31st March 17 for first machinery for full year and for this machinery for 9 months. Okay, see here for this machinery we have deducted 10% of 72,000, that is 7,200, and on this machinery we will deduct depreciation for 9 months. So total depreciation will be 7,200 plus 3,600, that is 10,800. Understood? So here I will write by depreciation account. Depreciation on first machinery 7,200 plus depreciation on new machinery for 9 months 3,600. So it is 10,800 total depreciation. Understood? Now we will tally the account for this year, कारण यावर्षी काहीही सेल वगैरे झालेला नाही. 72,000 plus 48,000 will be 1,20,000. 1,20,000 minus 10,800, so it will be 1,09,200. On 31st March 17 by balance carried down. Okay, in this balance there is written down value of first machinery 64,800 and written down value of second machinery 44,400. Okay, 64,000 I will write here, 64,800 plus 44,400 written down values of the machineries. This carried down balance will be brought down on 1st April 2017 to balance brought down 1,09,200. दोन्ही मशिनरीज या बॅलन्समध्ये आहेत. ओके, नाव इन थर्ड इयर ऑन 1st December 17, see here, in third year on 1st December 17 they have sold this machinery. So first we have to deduct the depreciation, then the entry of sale, and then the entry of loss, and on the same date they have purchased a new machinery. So this entry will be 4th on 1st December. So let's pass the entries. On 1st December 2017 by depreciation account, हा वर्षाचा मधलाच दिवस आहे. वर्षाच्या मधल्याच दिवशी फक्त विकल्या जाणाऱ्या मशिनरीचं डेप्रिसिएशन. सो वी हॅव कॅल्क्युलेटेड दॅट डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर 8 months 4320 for 8 months. Okay, so 4320. Now on the same date by bank account, sale, it was sold for rupees 42,000. ओके, अँड नाव लॉस असेल तर एंट्री क्रेडिटला करायचे, प्रॉफिट असेल तर डेबिटला करायचे. सो हिअर देर इज लॉस ऑफ 18,480. सो बाय प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट, और यू कॅन राईट बाय स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस into bracket loss in sale, and the amount is 18,480. Okay, and on the same date they have purchased a new plant. So on the same date, that is on 1st December 2017 to bank account, third machinery purchase. It was purchased for rupees 75,000. Okay, see here. 1st डिसेंबरला या मशिनरीचं काम संपलेलं आहे, ती सोल्ड केलेली आहे. नाव दे हॅव दीज 2 मशिनरीज. Now on 31st March 2018, that is last day of this year, we have to deduct the depreciation for this machinery as well as depreciation for this machinery. Depreciation for this machinery will be for 12 months and depreciation of new machinery will be for 4 months. Okay, so here on 31st March 18, by depreciation account, second machinery 4440, 10% of written down value, plus third machinery 2500. So total depreciation will be 6940, 6940. Okay, and now we will tally the account for this last year. Debit total is 1,84,200. We have to deduct total of these 4 amounts from 1,84,200, and so the balance is 1,12,460. By balance carried down, it will be brought down on 1st April 18 to balance brought down 1,12,480. Okay, sorry, 460. 1,12,460. Now बरोबर आहे का बघूया. This balance will be addition of these two amounts. So let's add here 72,500 plus return down value of second machinery 39,960. 1,12,460. This is our balance, 1,12,460. Okay, so in this way, with the help of this working note, I have prepared the plant account. Solve this problem in your notebook and prepare the depreciation account also. And if there is any doubt, you can ask. Okay, that's all.